Just look at this. Little bit of washing liquid. There you go. How long it took? Less than 30 seconds, and look how clean is that. And I did not work myself to be so tired cleaning this. All gone. You see? Clean.
Real talk, who else is tired of cleaning? I felt like I was living in my own personal never-ending mess, trapped in a maid costume. But enough was enough. I decided to take back my time and my sanity. Let's just say I was highly skeptical about the newest viral cleaning gadget. To be honest, it seemed too good to be true. But after weeks of battling dust bunnies, I decided to take a chance. So I said, let's give it a try. Let's try this. Guess what? It actually is a game changer. Half an hour of hard work cleaning job is just done in 5 minutes. And guess what? The results are even better and cleaner.
Now, you get all of these accessories with this power to clean anything in your house, to clean any part of your house in a fraction of a second without being tired. Really good price. Just buy the original one from the link that I just leave you in this video, and you will be amazed what this thing is gonna do for you. It will brush, it will wash, it will polish, and it will dry for you everything. So get the original and enjoy your life.
Make sure you get the original one for the best results. Link in this video.